Very good morning, students. Welcome back to second year physics. In the previous class, actually, we discussed about two applications on the basis of Biot-Savart law. So one is on the at a center, magnetic induction BC is equal to mu naught Ni by 2R. Circular coil carrying a current which is in the clockwise. And another one on the axial point, that is out of the plane of a paper, and in that case the current carrying a circular coil is in a anti-clockwise. So there will be a magnetic induction will be, it is BA is equal to mu naught Ni R square by 2 into x square plus R square whole power 3 by 2. Again in this we have other cases. See, you look at a case 1 here. Suppose if you say x is equal to 0. If I take a x is equal to 0 in the axial line, BA is equal to mu naught Ni R square by 2 into 0 square plus, I mean to say it is R square whole power 3 by 2. So on the axial line is equal to mu naught Ni R square by 2 into R square whole power 3 by 2. So 2 cancel, right? So axial point is equal to mu naught Ni R square by, you look at here, 2 into R power 3, right? It is cancelled. So on the axial line is equal to mu naught Ni by 2R. It is the axial point. See, when x is 0, it's nothing but what happens? We can also say BA is equal to BC. Of course, when axial x is 0, therefore there will be a maximum field intensity act at a center. This is the case number 1. And here in this case 2 you take. Suppose I want to say x is very greater than small r, radius of the circular coil. So that here, in this case, here it is r square is neglected. In denominator only denominator is neglected. That means here, in the denominator is there, no, this one only neglected. Suppose if I neglected this, then what will happen? Look at it. See, axial line is equal to, which is mu naught Ni R square by 2 into x square whole power 3 by 2, because denominator R square only neglected. Now again you cancel this. So axial line is equal to mu naught Ni R square by 2 into x cube. Right here, see, we can take it like this. There is a one small derivation is there, that is, suppose now you multiply and divide with a pi. See, you multiply and divide with a pi, so that B axial is equal to mu naught, here you write Ni pi r square by 2 into pi. Of course, it is x cube. Pi r square is nothing but we can say a. Pi r square is nothing but we can say a. So the area of the circular coil you take, BA is equal to mu naught by 2 pi into, here you write Nia by x cube, right? Again you do one thing, this equation you multiply and divide with again 2. So that here axial line is equal to, it is, will be like this, mu naught by 2 into 2 becomes 4 pi, here 2 Nia by, we can say, x cube. So here it is mu naught by 4 pi, mu naught by 4 pi, 2 into Nia by x cube. No? In this case, let here Nia is nothing but a capital M. So what is capital M? Capital M is nothing but it is a magnetic moment. See, magnetic moment is a magnetic moment, right? In case of a circular coil, see, N is nothing but a number of turns, I is nothing but a current carrying a coil, A is nothing but the area of the coil. The coil is circular coil, so pi r square. Suppose if the coil is rectangle is given, then area of a rectangle you take. Like it is, if it is a square is given, then you take a area of a square. Like it is triangle is given, the current carrying a triangle if it is given, then you take as the area of the triangle you take. Like that is we can say magnetic moment is defined as, it is a magnetic dipole moment. Magnetic dipole moment is defined as, it is the product of current and area of cross section. It is the product of current and area of cross section. It is depend on the area, the coil, which is given coil that we have to know. So that here I into A is nothing but we can say the product of current and area is nothing but we can call the magnetic dipole moment. So that on the axial line is equal to, it is mu naught by 4 pi into 2 into m by x cube. This is the dipole moment of the axial line. See, the magnetic induction on the axial line will be BA is equal to mu naught by 4 pi into 2m by x cube. So, this is the very important question related to the 4 marks, because this is there in the magnetism again. This is there again in magnetism also, same derivation is there, because I will show you once open your materials, because again no need to discuss this question. See, I will show you this derivation once open the materials everyone. In magnetism this question was given, right. It is given in the page number 238. See, in magnetism chapter, that is the 8th chapter, 238 page number. Say, derive an expression for the axial field of a solenoid of a radius small r containing a n turns per unit length and carrying a current of I. So, this question was given in the 8th chapter, not in the 7th chapter, but in this 7th chapter also this question is very important. That's what I mean to say. Better you refer the page number 238. 238, that is the page number 238 in chapter magnetism. Look at the question as question number 1, short answers. Question number is short answer. Of course, in this moving charge and magnetism also this question is there. I will show you the question. See, it is given as, so not exactly same question. Yeah, of course. Page number 212. Once open the page number 212 in moving charge and magnetism, please. Moving charge and magnetism, page number 212. See the question number 1. Sorry, question number 6. Obtain an expression for the magnetic dipole moment of a current loop. So this is the question. BA is equal to mu naught by 4 pi 2 pi into x cube. Capital M is nothing but a magnetic moment. So this question, from here you need to write this question. From here you need to write. So like that here the questions, these 2 questions, I mean to say, same question is there in magnetism as well as it is there in the moving charge and magnetism. That's what I am telling. Again, it is no need to discuss in the next chapter. Once you refer this question in this chapter and you read and write, which is very important for 4 marks. Clear no? And here in the page number 211, see question number 5 also important, as well as the question number 4. Question number 4 and question number 5, which are very important. Better you refer these 2 questions from your materials. So from this chapter actually we are getting a 1 4 marks, 1 or 2 4 marks. See page number 210, question number 1 also very important. State, explain the Biot-Savart law. This question was given in the March 2020. 17 it was, this question was given, and May 17, March 16 and May 14 and so on it is. So that this Biot-Savart law are very important. Is it okay? Clear now? Yeah. Come to the point. And in this continuation again we have other similar relations are there. I'll tell you, there is a one relation which was given in our material as 2 marks. Now let us, I'll show you one question. It is for 2 marks question. This question is given in the 2 marks, right. So this is the very short answer, VSA Q question in our material given as 2 marks question. So there is a question, it is given BC in terms of velocity of a light. Is asking BC in terms of velocity of light. That is, we can say C. So now we need to say like this. So that here use this. Let us, we can use a like this. We know epsilon naught we know, as well as the mu naught also we know. So that you take the multiplication of epsilon naught and mu naught. Epsilon naught is nothing but a permittivity. Epsilon naught is a permittivity, and here mu naught is nothing but a permeability. And here for this you do one thing, here multiply and divide with this one 4 pi. So here you multiply and divide with 4 pi by 4 pi. So that implies 4 pi epsilon naught into mu naught by 4 pi, you write. If I cancel this, we'll get the same expression. Now here we know, let here 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught is nothing but 9 into 10 power 9, right? And here mu naught is nothing but 4 pi into 10 power minus 7, right? See, here actually 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught is there. No? From this we can write 9 into 10 power 9 is equal to 4 pi epsilon naught. Now this you replace this, and here you replace this, so that we'll get this 9 into 1 by 9 into 10 power 9 into, here mu naught is nothing but a 4 pi into 10 power minus 7 by, you write a 4 pi. So 4 pi is cancelled. 1 by 9 into 10 power 9 into 10 power minus 7. No? Better you bring into denominator. Therefore 9 into 10 power 9 into 10 power 7, because minus 7 is there. No? Therefore this will be 9 into 10 power 9 plus 10 power 7 is nothing but it is becomes 10 power 16. Therefore 3 into 10 power 8 whole square. So nothing but 1 by c square, because c is the velocity of a light. 3 into 10 power 8 meter per second. Clear? This is equal to what? No? It is epsilon naught and mu naught. Therefore c square is equal to 1 by epsilon naught and mu naught. C is equal to 1 by root over it. This is the relation. This is for 2 marks. The relation related to the 2 marks. Everyone go through this question, because which is 2 marks, which is given in the material. I'll show you the question also. Yeah, page number 209, question number 12. Page number 209, question number 12. Page number 209, question number 12. So once refer this question for 2 marks, right? Is it okay, everyone? Now come to the point is, in this again we have other relations. So before that I'll tell you the problems on the basis of this concept. Clear? Yeah, look at the problems. Right, page number 205. Page number 205, question number 7. Page number 205, question number 7. Page number 205, question number is 7. So I'll read the question. Consider a tightly wound 100 turns of a coil of radius 10 centimeter. How many number turns are given? 100 turns are given. The radius of the circular coil is given as 10 centimeter. Better you convert into meters, or we can say 0.1. And carrying a current is 1 ampere. What is the magnitude of the magnetic field induction at a center? Of course, BC at a center is asking. So we have two relations. At a center is one, and one more is at an axial point. BC at a center, mu naught Ni by 2R. Very simple. So we should remember a mu naught value, that is 4 pi into 10 power minus 7 Henry per meter. So this is the fixed value, and we should remember, right? Now you write BC at a center, it is 4 pi into 10 power minus 7, N will be 100 turns, and here I will be say 1 ampere by 2 into 10 into 10 power minus 2. So that here we can say 0 is cancelled, and here if this come up, so it is 2 ones, 2 twos. BC at a center is equal to, remain is 2 pi into 10 power minus 7 into, this 0 will come up, no, 10 power 3. So better you cancel. BC is equal to 2 pi into 10 power minus 4 Tesla. Clear? Or suppose you say, if is given 2 pi into 10 power minus 4 is right answer. Sometimes here we can also multiply 3.14 into 10 power minus 4. So BC at a center 826 Tesla it is. So this is the way to do the problem. Clear? Right? Right, there is another question is there, question number 5. Look at the question number 5, same page number, question number 5. Read everyone question and you write a given data. What is given data? Which is very very important. I am telling every time that is very very important. See, an element dl is equal to dx is placed at the origin and carries a large current 10 ampere. What is the magnetic field on the y-axis at a distance 0.5 meter and delta x is equal to 1 meter. See, the given is question number 5, page number 204. See, there is a one small length which is on the x-axis. You draw as it is, whatever given it is, delta x the length, and it is x-axis, is asking on the y-axis. So the point is take as the P, and this point is located 0.5 meter, so which is given like this, and here delta L is equal to delta x is equal to given as I think 1 centimeter, and here current is carrying is 10 ampere is given. Which one is carrying? The large current of 10 ampere is carrying, is placed at, okay, this one is carrying. Now is asking about a magnetic induction, right? So dB we need to find. So we know dB is equal to mu naught by 4 pi into IDL sin theta by r square, of course. So that your current is given and the radius, or we can say r, is given as 0.5, dl or the length delta x is equal to 1 centimeter, that is you say 0.1 meter, or you want to say 10 power minus 2 meter also, no, centimeters, no, 10 power minus 2 meter, and the current is given as 10 ampere. That's all. Your mu naught we know, and theta is given as 90 because which is at a distance 90, no, so that theta you take as 90. Now find a dB. dB is equal to mu naught is 4 pi into 10 power minus 7 by 4 pi into I will be maximum current is 10 ampere is flows, dl will be 10 power minus 2 sin 90 by r value 0.5 whole square. Sin 90 is 1 and here 4 pi is cancelled. dB is equal to 10 power minus 7 into 10 power minus 1 by 0.5 whole square, that's all. So approximately what will happen, it is, say dB is equal to 10 power minus 8 by 0.5, no? Now we can write 5 by 10 whole square. So that here it is 100 by 25 into 10 power minus 8. 25 ones, 25 fours. So dB along the y-axis will be like this. Look at the question. 4 into 10 power minus 8 Tesla. Actually, these questions are very, very important, especially for the objective point. That is NEET and JEE means, which are very, very important. Suppose you refer these questions and it is help you for the solving of JEE means problems. Clear? Right. We'll see the next question. There is a page number 205. Question number 8. Everyone look at. Figure shows a long straight wire of a circular cross section of radius A. Radius A, small circular coil carrying a steady current I. That circular coil is carrying a steady current I. The current I is uniformly distributed across this cross section. Calculate the magnetic field in the region R less than A or greater than A. Of course, we know the circular coil carrying a current, no? Circular coil carrying a current. If I know the direction of current, then we can say the induction which is acting at a center or else away from the center. But the simple question is given as there will be a circular coil is given. Look at. So there is a circular coil which is carrying a current I, and the radius of the circular coil is A, and here there is a R is given. So that means here this is the R point. The diagram is showing like this. This is the R, right? Here it is given as R. So is asking one is R less than A and one is R is greater than A. So suppose if R greater than A, therefore the circumference will be what happens for the given loop. Here it is we can say directly we can say it is a mu naught I by 2 pi r. Actually it is related to the Ampere's law. We can say like this, L is equal to 2 pi r circumference. So B into dl is equal to mu naught I. Then B into 2 pi r is equal to, we can say, mu naught I. Then B is equal to mu naught I by 2 pi r. It is actually Ampere's law. It is on the basis of this given, right? And if I go for r less than A, therefore r less than A is nothing but what happens again. Here it is will be L is equal to 2 pi r. Therefore we can say current enclosed in the region as well as the is not I. So you say I is equal to enclosed region into I into, you say, pi r square, area by, it is pi a square, area of the two. This is area is pi a square, this area is pi r square. So this cancel it is. Therefore I enclosed is equal to I r square by a square it is. So based on this, let us we know about a relation this I enclosed, no? So that you take as here I enclosed. So that here B is equal to mu naught by, it is we can say 2 pi r into, here it is pi r square by, it is a square. So this r is cancelled. B is equal to mu naught I r by 2 pi a square it is. This is the final expression. Therefore if B directly proportional to, we can say R. If R increases, magnetic induction is increases. R increases, magnetic induction is increases. So that R less than A it is. This is the graph, this is the about a for this question. You go through this again. This I will tell you in the Ampere's law also, because it is related to the Ampere rule is there, but it is given as in the Biot-Savart law. No, that's what you use this question and get the answer. Clear? So this is on the basis of magnetic induction, on the basis of Biot-Savart law, some problems, some other problems also is there. We'll see in the next class. Thank you very much.